Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Italian-style tiramisu. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need 6 large, fresh eggs, 500 grams of creamy mascarpone cheese, and about 200 milliliters of strong, cooled espresso. Don't forget 150 grams of sugar, 200 grams of crisp ladyfingers, and a dusting of unsweetened cocoa powder. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect dessert every time. Now let's create the heart of our tiramisu, the rich mascarpone cream. First, separate 6 egg yolks and whisk them with 150 grams of granulated sugar until pale and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 500 grams of creamy mascarpone cheese until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. In a separate bowl, beat the 6 egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Carefully incorporate these beaten whites into the mascarpone mixture, ensuring a light and airy texture for your dessert. With our cream ready, it's time for assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, being careful not to oversoak them. A quick dip is all you need. Arrange a single layer of these espresso-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Next, spread about half of your luscious mascarpone cream evenly over this first layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of dipped ladyfingers, and then finish with the remaining mascarpone cream on top. This creates those beautiful, distinct layers. Almost there. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu tightly with plastic wrap. Now the most crucial step, refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours or even better, overnight. This chilling time is essential. It allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and ensures the dessert sets perfectly. Just before you're ready to serve, generously dust the top with a layer of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, simply slice and enjoy your homemade, authentic Italian tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.